As a hairstylist, I just don't know how to create stunning hairstyles. I also enjoy cooking delicious meal for my family. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through how I prepare the classic Nigerian dinner Moimoi, which is also called bean pudding, for my family for dinner actually. So well, I started by soaking these beans for like 3 minutes actually, and then I went ahead to add some eggs in the pot and then put that on the fire to start cooking. I went ahead to peel this bean back. Shout out to Remy the first, who showed me the way of how to peel this beans. I saw in one of her video when she was peeling the beans. I was like, oh my god, this is how to peel beans, and I'm struggling using my hands to peel the beans. Remy the first, thank you. You're a true champion. So afterwards, after peeling these beans, I went ahead to start removing sieving out the back gradually. This is what you do until all the bags are fully removed. Then I went ahead to check if my eggs are ready. My eggs are ready, and I transferred my fish to the stove to also cook a fish for this moi moi. So this is the leaf for the moimoi leaf I will be using. I went ahead to soak it with some salt before washing it fully. So guys, imagine, just look at the water that will come out from this moimoi first. I don't know, this is how that, in fact, we need to be careful when we're buying any vegetable or any leaf. Look at how dirty this is. So I have to rewash and rewash until everything is clean. And then I use this is a warm water. That's how you can see the steam. I use it to wash the leaf. Now my leaf is ready. I set it aside and I went ahead to start blending my beans because it's already soaked. So after blending my beans, I also added pepper. I didn't remember showing you this, but I added pepper, and I've already added all my spice, from my sunflower oil to my red oil to my crayfish, salt, maggi, and that's it, including my eggs here. But I didn't put the egg at once. So what I do is I'll scoop like 2 or 3 spoons of moi butter and add my egg in it, and then I place it in the pot. And this is a thing I do throughout until I finish molding my bean pudding with my moi leaf. If you have watched this video up to this extent, I know you are a real champion. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, click on that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And tell me what you can use to eat this your moi moi in the comment section. I love to eat my moi moi with custard, which I'll be making soon. This is the custard I'm about to make. I love the moi. I melted this with or liquid milk first. I didn't use just water to melt it. I just used liquid milk to melt it, and then I added some hot water to make sure my custard is in the right consistency. Afterwards, I added some milk, evaporated milk, and some sugar. I use unrefined sugar. I don't use the refined sugar. So, and it's brown unrefined sugar. That sugar is good and perfect for the family anyway. So this is the custard. This is the right consistency. I just like how it is. Afterwards, I went ahead to start dishing the food for the family. Guys, if I forget, don't skip the advert. I know some advert played before this video. It's still going to play after this video, so stay tuned and watch that advert to the end, please. So now the food is ready, everybody is eating. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video out there. I know this is not my regular hair making, but this is what I do aside from braiding hair. I take care of my family. I cook for my family, and not just cooking, I cook delicious meal for my family. So thank you so much for watching and coming along as I share a glimpse of my life as a hairstylist and a mom of 3. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair tutorials, family vlog, and cooking videos. So guys, this is how my daughter wrapped up this day by helping with the dishes. She's washing the plate, and yeah, and I have a little one there who has not even finished her own meal, but we finish it as soon as possible. So guys, thank you once again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye. I said we got a problem. Just like the other